So look, roof's all gone there. Absolutely knackered. Right, what's happening, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, I put a community post up a little while ago about doing a pallet build in my garden. Yeah, this is the shed I've got at the moment. It's just, yeah, literally had it. Yeah, cleared it all out. So look, roof's all gone there. Absolutely knackered. So, gonna dismantle it all. Probably won't be able to salvage anything off of this, to be fair, because it's all looking a bit worn and torn. But once we've dismantled and cleared it all out of the way, I've got myself a load of these pallets over here for the build. There's quite a few there. They're large old pallets. I think they're plasterboard pallets, something like that. So I'm gonna make a rather large building at the bottom here, because I want a little bit more space in my shed than what we got in that little thing. Enough room for my boy to do a little bit of carpentry, put all my fishing stuff and lawnmower and gardening stuff away. Yeah, so the plan is to get it all pitched up. Then I'm gonna felt round it. Then I'm gonna make a load of shingles out of pallets, and yeah, as I say, felt batten it and timber shingle it all around the outside. Obviously ply on the inside or whatever. Yeah, never done anything like this before, so we'll see how we get on. But got plenty of timber there to work with, so I was going to film it all as I go along. Hopefully you find it a bit of decent watching and enjoy the videos. Right, that's the shed done. That was an absolute mission, to be fair. Yeah, it's all a bit crazy down the side alley. But yeah, I'll sort that out after. So at least I got that out of the way now. So just a case of a little bit of prep, and then I can start working out the formation of the pallets to create the build that I'm looking for. So happy days. Right, managed to get it to this stage. Not looking too bad. Been an absolute killer in this heat today, I ain't gonna lie, but managed to get a good bit done, considering all the shed was there and that this morning, and all the pallets and all the rest of it was all around here. I had to get everything all moved and all that to clear room and move about. As you can see, it's looking like a bit of a bum site in here at the minute, but a few pallets left there. I'm gonna put a roof on tomorrow, put a felt round it, batten it out with the shingling. Obviously gonna need a load of ply for in here, but yeah, decent size really, to be fair. So it all went kind of well really, considering the pallets are pretty much the same kind of size. A little bit of a difference here and there, but yeah, it should be decent once it's finished, but it's going to take a bit. Like I say, I'm going to shingle the whole lot all the way around. Timber shingles, timber shingle on the roof.